Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in DraftKings Inc. Full guide step by step clearly. Before you invest in DraftKings Inc., it's essential to do your research. Start by understanding what DraftKings does. DraftKings is a digital sports entertainment and gaming company. They offer online sports betting, daily fantasy sports, and more. Next, create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage platform. Look for platforms that allow you to trade stocks easily. Consider factors like fees, user interface, and customer service. Once your account is set up, fund it with your preferred payment method. Now it's time to analyze DraftKings as a potential investment. Review their financial performance by looking at revenue, profits, and growth trends. Check recent news articles and market analyses to consider the competitive landscape surrounding online gaming and sports betting. Look for insights on market regulations that may impact DraftKings. After your analysis, decide how much you want to invest. Only invest an amount you can afford to lose. Timing can also be crucial. Monitor DraftKings stock price for an entry point you are comfortable with. Once you identify the right time, go ahead and make your purchase. Input the number of shares you wish to buy and confirm the order. Your investment in DraftKings is now complete. Keep track of your investment regularly. Review financial reports and news updates periodically. Adjust your investment strategy according to market conditions. Stay informed about any changes in laws that could affect DraftKings. Consider your long-term investment goals as you manage your shares. Remember that investing always involves risks, and due diligence is key. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.